Arkansas Valley Electric serves 13 counties, 5,700 miles of line. We have a very big footprint that we're in charge of. Data is important when it comes to consumption. Our members are more engaged than ever before. They want the lights to come on and they want to be able to afford it. That's the two main priorities. All of our projects, everything we do is geared and focused on that very thing.
So in 2018, we started deploying the fiber network, and that's led us up to the project that we're working on now for the distribution and automation, putting new downline devices in, getting rid of a lot of old reclosers, bringing it into our SCADA system. The funding opportunity came up through the DOE. We started looking at how can we build out what we were already doing.
Our existing metering platform has served us well. It's been very reliable and has done its job. The technology's aging. The need for more data is evolving and continuing to grow.
When we started looking at the DA side of this project, we were kind of tunneled like this is the avenue that we want to approach. NRTC kind of come along, knew we were looking at the system, started saying, hey, I think if we start pulling this together, it really showcases the whole entire application versus just the one piece of it. What really kind of tipped the scale was the constant communication with NRTC saying, hey, listen, we think without this, it may not be successful. You can bring in part of it, but to be able to tie it all together and say, okay, now I can see what's coming in versus what's going out. If you can tie that into a smart grid, the chance of success is a lot higher.
So Arkansas Valley submitted the grant to include a full meter changeout, which is 66,000 of our meters. We'll be hanging 2,400 fiber mini-APs, and then we'll also be changing out about 1,200 of our reclosers, 200 of our regulator panels, and then about 150, 160 capacitor panels. The entire project is $36 million, and we're getting about a 50% match. It'll be $18 million for the co-op and $18 million that we're granted.
Receiving that money is like a shot in the arm on a project. We had started the process of the vision of the smart grid. The application opportunity came along. We seized it and cashed in on that, and that was great. So we were able to probably move it along a little faster than what we would have otherwise. Lots of high fives around the building.
Being able to build out this infrastructure really gets to serve our members, and that they not only get the data for their energy usage, but we can also make them a more efficient grid and make it to where we are always providing them reliable power, responsible power, but we can also try and reduce costs as much as we can to put that dollar back in their pocket.
From the membership standpoint, it's going to be a lot better reliability coming along. We can see things when it happens instantaneously. The metering is going to start reporting in automatically, letting us know when things are off. The amount of data we're getting back is tremendously more than what we have now.
Our ultimate goal is to make the best decisions for our membership and make sure that this co-op is here 85 more years, right? And doing things in the future and set us up in a way that we are innovative and making sure that we continue to be progressive and not stagnant. Be involved and really change the communities we serve.